Now, if you look at this particular statement, which leader was known as Danka Shah? So, who was it? Now, you can just go with the word itself, Shah. So, where is Shah? Shah is here, Shah is here. So, they were here, we can just eliminate it, okay, from the name itself. However, not always such a thing is helpful, not always. Okay, it would be helpful at some point, okay, but not always it is helpful. So, what do we understand here? That either it can be Shahamal, either it can be Ahmadullah Shah. So Danka Shah, it was a name that was given to Ahmadullah Shah. Now see, with logic you can eliminate and bring it to 50%. But the final answer you are going to give it from your logical interpretations and your academic knowledge. So here, if you would have had a deep reading of the revolt of 1857, you would have understood that the Ahmadullah Shah was known as the Danka Shah. Why? Because he used to bring the drum and he used to, gather the people everywhere. Okay, he used to bring the drum and he used to gather the people from everywhere. So that is what he did in the UP area. The next one is, which female leader led the army in Ramgarh, Madhya Pradesh during the 1857 revolt? Which was the female there? So here what do we know? Rani Durgavati, Rani Lakshmi Bai, Rani Avantibai Lodhi, or Begum Hazrat Mahal. Now if we eliminate, what do we know about Begum Hazrat Mahal? In 1857 she was from Lucknow. Okay, Rani Lakshmi Bai, she was from Jhansi. Okay, Jhansi. Rani Durgavati, from the name itself you can understand that from where was she? She belonged to the South India. Okay, and she fought the Mughal advent, and she was not a part of the 1857. She fought the Mughal advent in the 16th 17th century. Okay, so she was not there and she was from South. All right, so who is remaining here? So it is going to be Rani Avantibai Lodhi. Now she was the queen of the Ramgarh area. Okay. After the king Vikramaditya had passed away, the Britishers, they tried to annex her area through the doctrine of lapse. Alright. However, she resisted and she is going to participate in the revolt of 1857 with 4,000 troops.